I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add a credit card to your Movistar account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Movistar app. Launch the Movistar app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment options. Once you're in the app, find the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Tap on it and select payment options from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the payment options section, look for the Add Credit Card button. Click on it to start entering your card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as even a small mistake can cause issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering all the information, tap the Save button to finalize adding your credit card. You should see a confirmation message if it was successful. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that you have a stable internet connection. Happy managing your payments.